Hey everyone, Shakarov here again. Less than 24 hours after my UD2 box break with my friend UP, as in my last break, since it went pretty well. To open this, got this on YouTube, on eBay. Sorry, got a pretty good deal with it. And I didn't open a box by myself. I only got one box opened by the folks at FluxandChara.com. Was pretty average, but I've seen so much amazing things coming out of this that I thought, why not? Let's give it a shot. And that shows once again my compulsory, my compulsive money wasting sense. Pretty good to buy pretty much everything. So anyway, let's do this with Heroes and Prospects. Looking for some uh, preferably Jordan Caron goodies. I would be okay with this tall as well. Tall, what am I saying? Taylor Hall. So base, base, old-fashioned way. Only base so far. I still need the Yannick Weber base as well, so if I get it, that's perfect. So first hit here. Real Heroes of Joe Turner. So still base, so keep the goodies for the end. Or maybe there's just no goodies at all. But we won't think that way. Wow, only base again, so one insert so far and that's it. Second part of the break is gonna be so amazing. Again, base, kind of product you cannot only buy base packs. You can be so screwed. And I think I have my first hit here. Yes, I do. So base. Awesome. Sorry for the weird laugh. Jordan Caron, jersey silver, nice two colors, thick seam. I think those are numbered out of 10 if I'm not mistaken, but I might be, so you can correct me if you want. I'll check it later. Anyway, this one is definitely not available since I'm collecting Caron. So base, so only one hit so far, but pretty good one in my opinion. PK7, first autograph. So autograph of Stephen Elliott for the Saskatchewan Blades. If you hear some weird noises, I'm watching the Finland against Belarus game at the same time as I'm doing the break. 2-0 Finland after first period. So, well, hope I'm gonna get something else. Pretty happy about my first memorabilia, but hitting at least another one would be nice. Inserts would be nice as well. So far, it's not impressive. Wow, still nothing. So 4 packs left. Should almost be something in each pack from now on. Second, oh, this one is a nice one. Second autograph, Mr. Matt Duchene. So pretty nice. 3 packs left. Calder Cup winner of Brian Helmer for the Bears. Keep this one for the ends and seems thicker. Still only one memorabilia. Well, got a third autograph. Not bad either. Claude Giroux. And my last pack, very thick, should be something inside. And there is. Yes. Base. And just jumbo jersey black of Scott Lenny. So I know someone on Hobby Insider that might be interested. If you are, dude, just let me know. I'll keep it aside for you. So that's it for today's break. So not too bad. Duchesne, Giroux autographs. Nice jersey silver of my piece for my DC. So that's it, guys. See you later. Probably next week with SP Game Used, and then Ice, and then something else, and then I won't have any money left. So see you later.